In this video, we're going to show you where you need to go in the Meta Business Suite to access comments people have left on your Facebook page posts and ads. Here we are on the home page of the Meta Business Suite, and in order to access these comments, we just need to navigate over to the left-hand menu bar until we see the inbox section. We want to click on the inbox section. And once we arrive in the inbox section, we can now see that there is a menu bar at the top of the inbox section. We want to look for Facebook comments, and once we can see it, we want to click on it. And what this will do is it will bring up all of the comments which people have left on the various Facebook page posts and ads that we have made. You can see the example here from the opening section is right here. And if we opt for another one and we just click on the left-hand menu bar till we find the particular ad we are after, we can see that other comments are appearing as well. And that's all there is to it to access Facebook comments from your posts and ads in the Meta Business Suite.